Getting stuff ready.
Ready for what?
Well, you know. You should know.
Have you called him in yet?
Professor P. He's on standby. He's just waiting.
Oh, is he?
Yeah, just waiting.
I need to know when he's going to show up.
Probably
Wednesday. Let's make him show up Wednesday.
I actually can't rush him. See? What day is it supposed to rain? Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Thursday, Friday,
Yeah.
Saturday. Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Yeah, you don't want to paint no rain, do you?
Nah, it kind of makes you dreary.
Let's look at the weather here. There we go. What's that? Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Oh,
So yeah.
Oh, it's gonna be hot. Oh, it'll be too hot to paint Wednesday.
No, Wednesday you got to do it.
Wednesday's too
I'm
hot.
gonna be here Thursday, so Wednesday you
Well,
got
I
to do
guess
it.
I'll have to wear my GoPro.
Okay.
I'll wear my 360 and do it all the way around.
You're gonna get stuff all over it. Overspray.
It don't matter.
What's up, Jerry? Jerry likes some pool noodles. He loves them pool noodles.
Yeah.
He bought him a whole case of them.
We gotta have it. Look at it. They're having fun with the with the show, doing the thing. Oh yeah, you're doing great.
Directing traffic.
Cleared it right up. That was hilarious.
Really hilarious. We're going to the car. We got a debate on what color. The owner wants us to paint the stripes back on the Camaro instead of vinyl, which they are now. So we're going to paint them back. Then the next question was, do you want them flat back black like hot rod primer like it is now, or gloss? So isn't that kind of flat right there, or is that just dusty? Is that dusty?
I think it's a little bit of both.
It's more glossier than the stripe, but that's normal for a grill, right?
Yeah.
But the wheels are kind of gloss. See? They're more.
They look kind of dusty to me.
Everything's dusty.
Well, they're kind of in between. They're more
Yeah.
semi. So, I asked him vinyl stripes or painted stripes. I said I would paint them. I said, yeah. Then then I asked him, well, you want a hot rod black, satin black, or you want a gloss black? We're doing gloss black and switch the whole thing up to a stripe.
I say gloss, but you're not painting.
Clear over.
I say gloss.
Gloss if it's painted.
I'd say gloss, yeah.
Rusty, what do you say?
On the stripe,
Yeah,
gloss.
Yeah.
you got it.
All right.
Hey,
Hey,
Jerry, what color you say on the stripe? Flat
purple,
or gloss?
purple, flat, flat,
Flat or gloss?
He's gonna say all of them.
You going with hot rod black? Like what's on it right now?
Okay. All right, next one. Might as well ask him this next.
Okay, who?
Franco.
Franco.
Because this is coming next. Because I'm not a roof stripe guy. I like it on the hood and the trunk. So hood and trunk, and that's it.
Was that how it was when it came
No, it
in?
had them on the
had it on
damn
the roof, too.
on the roof.
Okay.
What do you think? Roof, no roof?
Front balance all the way down, all the way.
Don't ask him no more questions.
Just hood and down.
Hey, Jerry, you go back to work, okay?
What about the smaller?
All right, what are you thinking?
Yeah, nah, well, is it green?
Well,
Do we have to get an old picture out here?
Man, I don't know.
No, I remember what the car looked like because I just pulled the.
All
I
right,
just pulled
Rusty,
the
he's
stripe
got a
off the-
Camaro. What do you think?
No roof.
No roof?
I don't know, that's weird, I don't know. Only half of it.
I think no roof.
What do you want to do? Is gloss easier?
Just the down with too.
I asked him if he wanted them painted or vinyl.
Honestly, I think it probably look better without any stripe. That's what I said, but.
He wants the
I
stripe.
want some stripe.
I think gloss and cleared over and smoothed out and
Yeah, just you don't feel much. Made it right.
yeah, make it better.
Gloss with nothing on the roof And on
back
the
on the trunk lid and spoiler.
trunk lid and spoiler, are you gonna take it down or are you gonna stop it right here?
Me myself, I'd stop it on top, on the edge of the spoiler,
Okay.
and not see it on the back of the car. And if I done anything else, maybe gloss the headlight rings out, the outer ones. Give it a little depth.
Mm-hmm.
That's what I do. That's what I do, Franco. Yeah.
You know what?
It's actually
I just had an idea.
Carl!
Hey, if I had microphones, he acts like he probably wouldn't like it, but he'd love it because he'd talk on that thing all day
I
long.
would, but you wouldn't be able to use half of it.
Probably not.
But it would make a dang good video.
It would. It'd be funny.
And it would be, you wouldn't even have to edit it. Maybe beep, and put the little beep signs on it and stuff, you know.
You know what I'm gonna do?
But what would you do? So yeah,
You know what I'm gonna do? Next time we go to Nate Dogg's, I'm gonna give them a GoPro to keep for a day or two, him and Carter, and then the video, and then we're gonna get it back and see what's on it.
I probably want that.
yeah, we. No. That-
Might not be anything.
Y'all want to see Nate Dogg and Carter on video again?
There might be nothing on it.
I'm not sure I want to see them on video. No,
They'll,
we might see more than we
They do
need.
got
I
a
know. I was
bathroom
about
now.
to say we might.
Oh,
that might
They
be.
got a bathroom now in their new shop.
Yeah. We shamed them into moving to a new shop because they didn't have a bathroom
Maybe
last
go
time
out
we were
back
up there.
and pee.
Yeah.
I thought you was gonna say they moved the porta john
Okay.
outside.
I just text Franco to see what his answer was, and I told him about the headlights too. So let's see what.
He gonna, how am I gonna-
Let's see what
But you
the-
probably didn't word it like I told you.
Oh, I did. Let's do that, but I do want to do want it on the roof. I kind of like how it looks. I know it will be harder. I'm sorry. So he wants to do what you want to do, but roof too.
Okay.
Deal.
I mean, that ain't no harder. You just shoot your laser and
So we got lasers for that shit.
a
You
little
can
later.
paint them outer rings on the headlights too.
Yeah.
Yep.
And that's gonna set it off right there.
That's gonna set it off. pal.
Set it off. Carl, carry on.
Okay, that's it for this episode of Shop Walk. We appreciate you watching. Help grow our channel by like, sharing, and subscribing. Send it to your friends. Pass it along. We appreciate it. We'll see you on the next video.